Hi everyone.
Welcome back to our channel.
I am Mark.
I'm Nico.
And we are so sorry that it took us so long to get another video again.
Yeah, we've been busy and sick.
Yeah. After our Banchan video, I got sick. I don't know what happened, but I was sick after Thanksgiving. And then Nico got sick. And then Roscoe got sick. So now it's been a month since our last mukbang, and we're back. And Merry Christmas! So it's Christmas today, as you can't tell by the Christmas tree behind us and all our, oh well, you can't see the presents.
Well, we're gonna dine in with some In-N-Out.
We have In-N-Out. If you don't know what In-N-Out is, it is a fast food chain out here on the West Coast. And today we got a ton of food. So first we have an unsalted meat patty, and this is for Roscoe. We're gonna feed this to him later.
We didn't forget him.
Not at all. Next we have a plain hamburger. So the hamburger comes with a patty, no cheese, lettuce, tomato. We also got each burger with grilled onions, and also their spread. I'm like salivating. Next we have a cheeseburger. The cheeseburger here has grilled onions as well, lettuce, tomato, and the spread. Here we have the double-double. The double-double burger is 2 meat patties, 2 slices of cheese, lettuce, tomato, also green onion with the spread.
My favorite.
And for our first time, we got the 4x4. So the 4x4 is 4 meat patties, 4 slices of cheese, lettuce, tomato, grilled onions, and the spread. But y'all, that's not all we got.
Oh yeah.
We also got animal style fries and plain French fries. Oh, but that's not all.
That's not all.
We also got 2 Neapolitan shakes.
I like it with my fries.
Yeah. And then, as you saw in the beginning, we do have some spread. And my favorite peppers. Oh my god, these are so good to eat with the burgers. And I try to get Nico to get this, but he does not like it. So, more for me.
Maybe I'll do one.
Maybe you should do one, since we didn't get 50 likes. We didn't get 50 likes to do the spicy noodle challenge. But maybe if we get 50 likes on this video, he's willing to do it, everyone. So please, share this video, like it with all your friends, like it and share it with all your friends and family. Because if we get it to 50 likes, he will eat the spicy ramen with us. Maybe we'll do it for New Year. Ooh, for 2019. So again, we're having In-N-Out. Oh my gosh, we had to just make sure we get everything in order so that it's more appealing to you all. So again, we have animal style fries where they put the grilled onions, cheese, and the spread on fries. And then we also have plain fries just in case. I have my peppers. We have our Neapolitan shake. I have mine right here.
I like to dip my fries in my shake.
It's like the best thing ever. Here we have, again, we have the 4x4, the hamburger, cheeseburger, and the double-double.
Conveniently cut in half.
Oh yeah, in like 30 seconds. All right. So for today, we wanted to again welcome you all back to our channel. We were so sick after Thanksgiving, and now today is Christmas, and we are so excited to have Christmas with all of you. Like we said, we didn't reach the 50 likes to do our spicy noodle challenge, but hopefully after doing In-N-Out, we can get the 50 likes, and Nico will eat the spicy noodles. I'm really excited. I'm salivating not only for In-N-Out, but for the spicy noodles too.
Is it good? It's just spicy.
It's spicy, but the flavors are really good. Like when you first bite it, and then after the spiciness goes away, it's really sweet. Do you want to dig in?
Yes, I do.
We haven't eaten all day. We were saving our appetite for this video. So, eat with us. Let's talk.
Yeah.
I'm gonna dig in.
That one?
You wanna do the 4x4?
Yeah.
Okay. 4x4. Yes. Did you guys hear that?
HGB.
Oh my gosh, it's still fresh. All right, baby. Cheers.
Cheers.
First bite. First time doing the 4x4. Oh my gosh. So if you all remember, we said we were doing our keto diet. Definitely not keto. We're stopping right now. We're gonna just carb load for winter. Well, for the rest of fall. Oh, well, it's winter now. And of course, like every year, we're gonna start our diet again on January 1st.
New year, new me.
Well, it's not really a new us. We do it every year. But
slowly improve.
yeah, I mean, it's getting better over time.
That was so good.
This is so good. Pepper.
Okay, I'll do a small one.
Small.
You eat the whole thing?
Okay, you don't have to eat the whole thing. I just take a bite at a time, but I really wanted a bite of that pepper. So get a bite of your burger. And then bite a piece of your pepper over the whole thing. Spicy? Forgot about our fries.
Just a little bit.
Oh, I forgot with animal style, you really need to eat it with a fork. Unless you're like a savage. Oh, I forgot to put black pepper on the fries.
Where'd you put the pepper?
Hmm?
Where'd you put the pepper?
I didn't bring any black pepper.
Well, 2018 is coming to a close. It's been a crazy year.
I know. This year was pretty intense. Like, I was working 2 jobs. You started your second job. And then I was doing school. And then Nico was looking at his programs for his... Is it doctorates or doctoral?
Doctorate.
Doctorates.
But not yet. I'm gonna wait a little bit.
It's so hard to talk right now. Is this so good? And then this whole year, we've just been planning a wedding. Like, it was amazing. Lots of like hunting for things. Like we were hunting for everything. Centerpieces, ideas for centerpieces. It took forever to find our tuxedos. And if you saw it in our Instagram, we loved our tuxes. Oh my god. Our tuxedos, our groomsmen and our ring bearer, and then of course the women. Oh my god, their dresses were so beautiful. So shout out to all of them for finding those dresses because they were so cute.
Okay, I'm ready for the next one.
Oh. The next burger? Double cheeseburger or hamburger? Maybe one of these two.
Yeah. Maybe the hamburger.
Hamburger?
Yeah.
Oh, the lettuce.
Oh.
Look how cute these are. Season's greetings from the In-N-Out Burger family.
I thought you were talking about the burger.
Oh, well, the burgers are cute too.
Compared to the 4x4?
Yeah, so much prettier.
This is like, what, 2 bites?
I wish I had shown everyone what the 4x4 looked like. It was massive. Oh, they saw the outside.
I think they saw it.
I haven't had a plain hamburger in so long.
It's gonna be weird without cheese.
Oh yeah, it tastes like a hamburger. I like the cheese. It adds more flavor.
Yeah, I like tomatoes.
It's interesting because I've seen a lot of people just eat burgers with just the patty and the bun. I couldn't do it. Want another pepper?
Maybe. Actually, it wasn't too bad.
But these are pretty big.
Yeah, it's okay. On the next one. My burger is almost done.
Oh my god. I haven't... The lettuce is so refreshing.
See, we're still healthy.
I love the spread. Oops. So for 2019, we're hoping to do a lot more videos. Since I'm done with my classes. Oh yeah, I never talked about what I'm going to school for. So I finished all my prereqs and, drum roll, I got accepted into nursing school. I'm not gonna say exactly which school because of privacy reasons, but eventually you'll see which school I'm going to be going to. I'm really excited.
If you follow his Instagram.
Yeah, follow us on Instagram. Follow us on Instagram. We don't use anything else. But yeah, so for the beginning part of 2019, it's gonna be a lot of just like working and saving, paying off our wedding and our renovations to our house. But I'm really looking forward to it. Again, I really liked working at the state. I really liked my first degree. It's a huge accomplishment, excuse me. But I'm looking to go back into nursing. Since I met Nico and since the passing of my grandpa, like I know I want to be a nurse. So I haven't told many people and I'm announcing it on YouTube. This is gonna be, excuse me, but a hell of a year.
You have no idea. So glad that's behind me.
Lucky you.
It's a necessary struggle.
I'm excited for the struggle. You really don't know if something is worth it to you unless you struggle. This is difficult. You're nasty. Our poor viewers. This is so messy. Ow! I bit my lip. Hello.
Try to eat the burger, not your lips. Well, this is cute too. Oh, not that side. This side. It's a small burger.
Cheeseburger. Oh my gosh. I don't know. I really like that 4x4. The flavors were so good.
That was actually pretty spicy.
If you thought that was spicy, imagine the spicy noodle. Hey, look how much he left. That's still a lot. Oh, that burns. My lip. That's a lot of noise.
Oh, that was spicy. So are we gonna open our gifts?
We're gonna do it now?
No, after the last burger.
Okay.
Because then I think I'm gonna get full after that.
Yeah.
Gotta keep the momentum going.
Keep it going.
Refill.
Put your tongue away.
Spicy. Is it red?
You know, when I lived in San Diego, that's when I found out, or in and out with how I found out that I was lactose intolerant.
Yet you're drinking a milkshake.
And having tons of cheese. And this, well, the spread is not dairy, it's mayo.
It's dairy. At one point in its life.
I think I'll be fine though. I think it went away.
I won't be fine.
Are you lactose intolerant now?
No.
Oh.
It's when you go all crazy.
Oh, when I start getting all gassy. Oh my god, it's so good. Y'all, another thing about me, well, both of us in food, but more me, I love French fries. I could eat French fries like no other. I could eat anything. Garlic fries, rosemary fries, regular French fries. I could put just seasoned salt on it. Oh my god.
Pepper. You really like pepper.
Pepper. Oh, black pepper. Mm-hmm.
One more.
It's my guilty pleasure. All right, one more burger, and then we'll open our Christmas gifts. All right, last one. The double double. The double double. It's already cut in half. You would take the smaller one.
Well, I've been taking the one on the right side. Gross. Jeez. Have some manners.
I'm a lady.
Okay, my lady.
Who's Kim a lady? Oh, if we had done the protein style, that would have been good too. But
I can never eat those.
the protein style burgers?
Yeah, I'm so messy.
I'm fine. So, in all of our burgers, we got grilled onions because Nico doesn't like the raw onions. I love raw onions in my burger, but what does suck is my breath smells badly. It takes forever for the smell to go away.
I keep forgetting to breathe.
I'm gonna be full for the rest of the day. No, I'm not. When mom and dad come over with all that food, oh no. This is probably a bad idea to eat on Christmas Day, but oh well.
I haven't had In-N-Out in weeks. Months. Because I don't think I've had it since we came back. Did you read?
After the honeymoon?
Mm-hmm.
I could have sworn we had In-N-Out. All right.
Present time.
So, why do I have both of our socks? Well, Nico's sock was already full, so then I put more in here. So here you go. Go ahead and open this one first. Ooh, I'll put this over here.
Tissue paper.
You're so dramatic.
Ooh, athletes. Gym clothes.
So Nico's been talking about, like, this entire year has been talking about, like, I need new gym clothes, I want to buy gym clothes. And we follow Christian Guzman, who's a gym owner and also, like, fitness person on Instagram and YouTube. And we really like his clothing. So I got Nico some Alphalete gym clothes. Oh, multiple. Oh, I remember this. Oh, it's underwear.
Nice and blue.
His
My
favorite color. And then...
Oh, I wonder what this is.
I don't know.
More tissue paper! Extra small. Men's
Oh, yeah.
cut off medium gray.
It's a cutoff shirt.
The muscle tee?
Not a tee, but a tank top.
Ooh, TikTok. Ooh, I like the material.
Yeah, so Nico really wants to get more gym clothes and start modeling for them. Working out in them on Instagram. Yeah, so follow us on Instagram. You can follow our journey on Instagram as well.
Yeah, and I feel guilty about eating all that food.
We should go to the gym.
Yeah.
Well, this is definitely not gym clothes. I wonder what this is. Ooh, my favorite.
Shredded paper.
What a princess. Oops. What is this? A red box. I wonder what's inside. That's cute. Earrings. I love getting new earrings. Thank you. You're so cute. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, babe. Oh. I would put them on, but I'm wearing the earrings from our wedding. Oh, thank you. Well, I'll wear these to the gym.
No, you won't.
Aww.
Hi.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Aw, my little bubba. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, look at your sweater.
So cute.
Ugly Christmas sweater with daddy?
This is ugly. Oh, easy.
Oh, you know what that is, huh?
What's this one?
You know what that is. You know what that is.
Okay, sit. Shake. Oh, you're already shaking.
Oh, wow. Oh my gosh. Wait, babe, you gave him the whole thing? Oh my god, you're supposed to break it up.
Oh, was I?
Yeah, look at
You're slobbering all over me.
He wants to do a mukbang with daddy.
Oh.
Huh. Oh, that was the camera.
That was it.
That was it. You ate it so
You ate it
fast.
all.
Roscoe. Really?
I should have broken it up.
You should have. I was surprised you gave him the whole thing.
Well, he like, here, drink
gosh.
water now. That's it.
Yeah.
You ate it all. You're just like me.
Corgi butt, corgi butt, corgi butt.
That was yummy, huh? Oh, yeah.
The last time he had In-N-Out was for his birthday. Alright. You know what this is, huh? He knows his stocking. Alright. What's inside, bud? What's inside? What's inside? Oh my gosh. Look, it's a new tug of war toy. Here, let's put it on. You like it? You like your toys, huh? You already want to play with it.
Wait. Let me take this off. Alright, ready? Go get it. Come on. Go get it. Take it. Go. Take it. Go. Okay. Oh, alright. Bye. See you later.
If you want to stay in touch with our adventure together as husbands, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. If we get it to 50 likes, Nico will eat the spicy noodles with me. So, like this video if you haven't already, share it with your friends and family, share it on your social media, and subscribe to our channel.
And always remember, be silly,
Stay humble, live happily.